Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, BitShare, currently trading for $0.11. Should we start accumulating BitShare in the bear market? Should we hold it? Expecting higher prices in the next bull run, expecting all-time highs. From the all-time high that BitShare had in 2018, it has dropped more than 99% from that all-time high. We couldn't set new all-time highs in 2021. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the BitShare US dollar price chart from its inception in August 2014 till August 2022. We'll also be looking at BitShares performance against Bitcoin over the years, BitShares performance against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at BitShares market cap. Currently at $34 million, the all-time high for BitShare market cap came in at $2.3 billion in 2018. Are we going to ever see BitShare get back to that all-time high? Should we start buying some BitShare for the long haul? We're talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money long-term investing or holding cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, we're having a very red week in the crypto market. Is the relief rally over? BitShare has not been pumping really well in this relief rally because in the last 1 year, it's still down 80.5%. In the last 1 month, it's up 2.7%. In the last 1 week alone, it's down 11.7%. And in the last 24 hours at the point of recording this video, BitShare is up 5.4%. Should we start accumulating some BitShare right now? Will it be a good hold through the bear market? Preparing for the next bull run? Guys, if you want to make money in crypto, you have to think long term. You have to be able to buy all these tokens when nobody wants them, when they look really dead. And that's why we're looking at the BitShare US dollar price chart from 2014. And what did BitShare do? It dumped really hard after it was launched. It lost 93% of its value till February 2017, and everything changed. If you are holding some BitShare in February 2017, guys, if you sold at the top in January 2018, in just 308 days later, you got over 245x return on your investment. It meant $1,000 invested in BitShare right here would have returned more than $245,000 for you if you sold in January 2018. But with crypto, anytime you see all coins pumping like this to the moon, just know that there's a huge dump waiting for you in the near future. And we saw BitShare lose more than 90% of its value in the bear market. It went from an all-time high of $0.9 to as low as $0.01. It finally found its bottom in the COVID sell-off that happened in March 2020. BitShare lost 98.85% of its value in just 800 days. That's what happened in the bear market to all these altcoins. They can dump really hard. Most of them will not set new all-time highs ever again. Some of them will. But will BitShare ever set a new all-time highs? Because from that COVID sell-off we had in March 2020, we saw BitShare go from as low as $0.01 to as high as $0.17. Now, this is nothing to write home about when all season is happening and we're seeing coins going 30, 40, 50x. BitShare still went up 15x in that bull run. It went up 1,500% in approximately 400 days. Now, BitShare couldn't set new all-time highs in the 2021 bull run. BitShare has been dumping just like the rest of the crypto market since then. The market topped in April 2021. BitShare was trading around $0.17 then. A lot of people were expecting new all-time highs. From that level, BitShare was still 472% off its all-time high. BitShare couldn't continue pumping as the market started dumping. What did BitShare do? It dumped the rest of the market. Right now, BitShare has lost more than 95% from that high we set in 2021. We have gone below the COVID sell-off. Should we start accumulating some more BitShare, or will BitShare come to set new all-time lows? Guys, that doesn't matter. What we care about right now is how high will BitShare go in the next bull run. We cannot predict the exact bottom. We can only make our educated guesses to know where will the bottom be. And you can see that this level where BitShare is right now is a very important level for BitShare. Price has reacted to that level quite a number of times. Before we pumped to new highs, we got rejected off that level for more than 3 years. Before BitShare could pump to new highs, after BitShare went below the 0.011 level in January 2015, we were under that level for more than 2 years till March 2017 before we had to gather ourselves and pump to new highs. And you can see that that region acted as support for us during the COVID sell-off. Even in the 2022 bear market, that region is actually holding. If that region doesn't hold, we might see new lows for BitShare, but that will just mean better buying opportunities for us. Because how high can BitShare go in the next bull run? Guys, we're going to use the Fibonacci retracement tool to see how high BitShare can go in the next bull run. From the top for BitShare that came in right here on the 1st of January 2018 at $0.9 to the bottom right here that's coming during the 2022 bear market at $0.0079. It's telling us that BitShares can actually get to as high as $3.6 in the next bull run. Now, very, very crazy and very outrageous if you are watching this in the bear market. But guys, from where we are right now, for BitShares to get to that $3.6, we have to see BitShares go up over 32,000%. That means a $1,000 investment in BitShares right now should return over $321,000 in the future. When will that happen? Nobody knows. I can't tell you when will that happen, guys. But when we go to the next bull run, if you believe that Bitcoin is going to trade above $100,000 and you believe that Ethereum will trade above $10,000, at some point in time, we'll see people flipping their Bitcoin and their Ethereum for some BitShares. Before we look at how BitShares is performing against Bitcoin and Ethereum, let's take a look at some technical details about BitShares. Currently, BitShares is ranked 459 on CoinMarketCap. We have 38,000 people that have BitShares on their watch list. BitShares has a market cap of $34 million. A fully diluted market cap of $41 million. The maximum supply is 3.6 billion tokens. Guys, what makes BitShares unique and why do you want to hold some BitShares through the bear market? BitShares is a decentralized platform designed to provide a more efficient global payment network and is commonly used for securing trading cryptocurrencies without any intermediary. Guys, where can you buy some BitShares? If you want to buy some BitShares to hold through the bear market, you can get some of the biggest exchange in the cryptoverse, on Binance, on Gate.io, on Hubo Global, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. Now let's take a look at BitShares performance against Bitcoin over the years. Against Bitcoin, when the market is pumping, you want to be holding some BitShares, but when the market is dumping, you don't want to be holding some BitShares because it really dumps well against Bitcoin. When the market was pumping in 2014, guess what? BitShares went up more than 700% against Bitcoin in just 70 days. After that, it dumped really hard against Bitcoin. It spent the next 910 days losing 97% of its value against Bitcoin. Before we had the mother of all alt season for BitShares, BitShares went up more than 4,000% against Bitcoin in just 98 days. And after that pump, we have not seen BitShares really outperform Bitcoin. It has been dumping really well against Bitcoin since that high that came in for BitShares in June 2017. BitShares has lost more than 99.60% of its value against Bitcoin. Guys, I believe at some point in time in the future, we're going to get one of these long green dildos that we are always seeing in BitShares. We're going to start seeing people flipping their Bitcoin for some BitShares in some point in the future. Guys, you're going to see BitShares gaining value against Bitcoin. Will it set new all-time highs? Probably not. A lot of these altcoins never set new all-time highs against Bitcoin after their first cycle. If you take a look at BitShares performance against Ethereum, it has been steadily losing value against Ethereum since September 2015 when it topped against Ethereum. It has been dumping and it has lost 99.93% of its value against Ethereum. Is it the best time to start flipping your Ethereum for some BitShares? History has shown that you want to be buying all these altcoins when nobody wants them, and at some point in time in the future, people will start flipping their Ethereum back for some BitShares, and we're going to get all those long dildos for BitShares against Ethereum. Guys, at some point in time in the future, we're going to see BitShares outperforming Ethereum. I'm going to see all those long green candles to the upside, and people will start YOLOing. But now is the time to buy it. Now in the bear market, if you take a look at BitShares market cap, it went to the all-time high of $2.3 billion in 2017. Since then, BitShares market cap have not been able to set new all-time highs. In 2021 bull run, BitShares market cap could only get to as high as $517 million. And from the high we set in 2021, we have seen BitShares market cap drop more than 95%. Is it a good time to start buying some BitShares in the bear market? History has shown that the best time to buy all these altcoins is in the bear market when nobody wants them. And when the market starts pumping, you'll be rewarded for all your faith in all these projects. We saw BitShares go from a market valuation of just $919,000 to as high as $2.3 billion, more than a 25,000% increase in just 315 days. Even in the 2021 bull run, BitShares market cap went from as low as $28 million to as high as $530 million. That's very impressive. A 1,692% increase, more than 16x in just 392 days. Right now, we are down more than 95%. Should we start buying more? Guys, remember, this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you guys what I'm going to do in the bear market. But if you want to be singing Kumbaya in the next bull run, if you want to be selling the top, you want to be accumulating all these altcoins in the bear market. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. At what price will you start accumulating some BitShares? Do you think BitShares will ever set new all-time highs in the next bull run, or will it just be tending towards zero? Will you be buying more, holding the BitShares you have, or will you be selling, expecting lower prices? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. 7, 1.